Nature versus nurture. What is the debate of nature versus nurture? The nature argument is the belief that people are born the way they are and that all the genes and the hereditary factors are what influence who we are. The nurture theory states that the environmental factors are what influences our behavior. Ask yourself, what makes you, you? Nurture factors include the way you were raised, early childhood experiences, and your surrounding environment. Nature factors include skin color, specific illnesses, life expectancy, height, and weight. Close your eyes. Raise your hand if you've ever been affected by a life experience. People are born the way they are, but are changed through life experiences. Social learning theory states that learning is a cognitive process that takes place in social context. Gender schema theory is in support of the nature theory by stating that children learn what type of things are associated with their sex.